At the free online Texas Inspectors Convention, you can meet all of the best vendors of the home inspection industry. Visit nachi.org/Texas-convention and register now. It's September 24th to the 25th. Now, how do I meet all the vendors? Well, go to that webpage and click Vendors. And there you'll find the list of all of the vendors who are attending the online Texas convention. And you can meet them individually. Let's say I wanted to buy an inspection tool at a membership discount. InterNACHI members get discounts on their tools from Inspector Outlet. You click the registration button and you virtually meet that vendor, and you can talk to Nikolai, who's the president of Inspector Outlet, and talk about tools. If you wanted software at a discount, you talk to Spectora. They'll be at the Texas convention. If you wanted to talk about mold samples, ProLab will be at the Texas convention. You get the idea? Go to that URL, nachi.org/Texas-convention, and click the Vendors tab and register to meet all of the best vendors of the home inspection industry, and it's all free and online.